Now this is the soldering iron, la soldadura en español. So this is normally we sell it without this copper head, without this blade, without this screwdriver. But if you need it, because if you want it, we can send you with this copper head and also with this screwdriver and also with this blade. So as soon as you receive it, you can use it. Now let's measure. Let's see first. Let's see the weight. So this is 182 gram, and the size. I say this is 6. Let's say 6 by 3 by. This is 20 by 29 by 29. Okay, let's open it. So because our customer, he wants 60 watt, but normally 60 watt is too powerful. Normally we sell for 40 watt, for 40. So how to prepare it? So this is the you just use this one to open it. Yeah, but this is wrong. So they are supposed to get a bigger one. But this is one, actually. Oh, sorry. So this is for the this. I'm sorry, I just made a mistake. This is for the copper head. So this one you just at your home. I think everybody has a screwdriver. Just open it, put it out. Take this one out. Just put it inside. So the blade, just open it. Just because I had a video to taught you guys how to make this. Just use the screwdriver, put on it inside. Then you just you use this one. You can, for example, for this is polarizer, just take off the polarizer like this. Okay, very easy. I hope also my colleagues, you can understand what I was talking. So this is yeah, it's just like this. See, like this. Here's the blade. Just put a blade because you can put a blade inside. Just tighten it. So just because this is hot. This is soldering iron, so this is hot. So just take off the polarizer. Very easy. But remember to tell your customer 40 watt, don't buy 60. I don't know, they want 60, but normally we buy 40. It's enough for the for taking off the polarizer.